escort our second contestant for her presentation this evening.
I'll be just shouting out loud.
Our second contestant for the 2019 Vodafone Rakiraki Carnival is Laniana, Miss Rakiraki Town Council 2019. Total mantan tapos sa sound kita bakal Laniana tiko nambong ini kuah. Mental health is the level of psychological well-being or an absence of mental illness. It is the state of someone who is functioning at a satisfactory level of emotional and behavior adjustment, says my advocacy message. Sa Arnayandra, Malawambula, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Tonight, I'm wearing an Itaukei traditional attire, which is based on how youth can come up with creative ideas. As you can see, my headpiece this afternoon is a weboi. It is used for weaving mats. Not only that, but some other creative activity such as headpiece, hats, baskets, and so forth. My necklace today is a matanidiba. It is well known for wedding occasions. People wear this during Itaukei traditional dance and some other traditional occasions. Moving on, this white mask shows how fast youth socialize and interact with each other. The second brown masi is known as the masi kubui. It is mostly used by women during weddings. They only use this masi to cover their top body. The cells on top of my masi is used for decorating houses. Can be used for making necklaces, bags, etc. The cell I'm wearing today is from where my mom was raised from, the lovely beach of Tongo. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our second contestant for the 2019 Vodafone Rakiraki Carnival.